In this video we will learn how to work with documentation. Well, what does it mean? It means that every language has its own documentation. Python has its own documentation. Turtle Graphics has its own documentation. If you learn something different, for example JavaScript, it has its own documentation, and so on and so on. So most of the languages or programming languages, most of tools, they have a documentation. So it means there is everything what you can do with this tool. So for example, Turtle Graphics has its own documentation, and you have to be prepared that some documentation are very good, but some of them can be slightly confused. Okay, so be ready for it. But Turtle Graphics, there is very nice documentation, I can say. So let's go. If we have a Turtle Graphics, and if you go to the Google, for example, and you write Turtle Graphics documentation, so the first link lead you here. So this is the documentation of the Turtle Graphics. So perfect. And here you have everything what you can find here. But for us, it's important that if you go here, so here is a tutorial, and here is example how you can import all or everything from Turtle Graphics. But we used another type of import, so we need to import only turtle and screen. Okay, but of course there are another options or other options. Okay, so you can go and you can see that the forward 100, so it means go forward about 100 steps. Okay, and so on and so on. If you go here, you have some examples here. But for us, the most important is this section, turtle methods. So it means everything what the turtle can do. Okay, so our turtle is called Harry. And if you run the code, you can see that Harry is an arrow. So I would like to do, I would like to change it for turtle. So I will close it. And this as well. So we have here some sections like move and draw, but I would like to change the arrow for the turtle, so it wouldn't be move and draw, correct? Turtle state, position towards, heading, distance, nothing good for us. Pen control, drawing state, color control, filling, more drawing control. Okay. Oh, turtle state, it sounds good. Turtle state, so visibility, okay. Oh, here is something, appearance. Okay, so how does it look, appearance, and this is here is shape. So maybe the shape is the option, so I will click on it. You go down in the documentation and we are here, turtle.shape. Okay, so it means if we want to use it, sorry guys, I would put it here like this. So, sorry, it will change, so I will go again, turtle shape like this. Okay, here, so it's turtle.shape. So but my turtle isn't turtle, it's a Harry. Okay, so it will be Harry.shape. Okay, and what can I write here? Here is a name, so I can write name like this, and here I need some name, so I will check the example. Turtle.shape, it's a classic, so it means that it seems that you can write something like this. Okay, if I will run it, it's still the arrow. Okay, but there is no mistake, there is no error. That's good. But here is turtle.shape turtle. Okay, so it means that if I will write turtle here, and it's a string, so it has to be in quotes. Okay, we spoke about it in the previous tutorial. So I will run it. Oh, welcome Harry, and it's my turtle. Perfect, I like it. So now, well, what which option do we have? So it should be something here, okay, because this is how it goes. Here is example and here is some description. So if you check it, you have here, there are following polygon shapes: arrow, turtle, circle, square, triangle, classic. So if I put there a square, for example, it goes like this. Okay, it's not a turtle, it's a square. Perfect. If I put here a circle, I will run it. Okay, it's a circle. Perfect. But I would like to stay with the turtle. Okay, run it, and it's turtle here. Okay, so it's up to you. Take whatever you want. What do you like? And that's it. So now we know how to change the shape. So you can see that what we put here is a name. So we can write it like this as well. Okay, we spoke about it when we talk about functions. Do you remember that you have some argument, or we can say argument, and it's a positional. We have a positional and we have a keywords argument. So you can put a keyword here, but usually you will write it only like this. Perfect. And I would like to go again and check what's interesting is here. So for example, we were where it is. Okay, so I would like to change a color, for example the turtle, because if you will run it, so it's black, okay, but turtle isn't black, correct? It's green, for example. So we need to find option which change the change the color. So I guess maybe it will be something like color. Okay, so if you don't know where it is, okay, so it's here, control color. So you can write ctrl plus F, and you can try to find, but it's better to check it, okay? Or of course, now in the time of AI, you can just ask AI how to change in turtle graphics the color of my turtle, and it will give you the code. So but here is color control, so it's color, maybe pen color, fill color, maybe color. I will run it, turtle.color. So our turtle, don't remember, it's a hairy, it's not a turtle, and color. And if you see here, it's a red and green. So we can put here two colors, but what does it mean? Why two colors? So we will see red and green. I will run it, and you can see that the turtle is green, but the border of the turtle is red. Okay, so you can put here two colors, but for me green is enough. Okay, and it will looks like this. Perfect. So now you know how to work with documentation, and here you can see that you have a different type of colors. So it means you can put there a keyword like red, green, yellow, and so on, and the code of the color. Perfect. So now you know how to work with documentation. So we will continue in the next video.